Time to feed Winston. Winston, come get your breakfast, boy. Come here, lazy boy. Come get your food.
Oh, hey, Charlie.
Would you like to come over for dinner tomorrow?
Okay.
Woohoo!
It's gonna be a full house, eh?
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, you heard that right. It's going to be a crazy one.
Hello? I'm sorry. Your trash smelled like it was poisoned.
Darling, I think Winston wants to go out.
I'm so hungry.
Come here, lazy boy. I'll carry you out.
Oh my god, a dog? And it's not poisoned? I know what this must mean. Thank you so much.
Almost ready, dear?
Sure am. Just watching this beautiful sunset.
Are we sticking to the plan?
Oh, sure. Nothing's changed on my end.
Oh, perfect.
Maggie, before we go down my basement, I need you to trust me and not freak out, okay?
Okay.
Hello?
Hi there. Charlie, right?
Hello, officer. Yes, that's me.
May I come in?
When advertising on YouTube, I know that making an authentic video with a clear call to action is the key to getting results. That's why YouTube.
This video is sponsored by Surfshark, the VPN that helps keep your information private.
Hey, lady, I'm ready to ride the mountain.
Have you been drinking? Oh, you look